Hey everyone, welcome back to FitLife Secret, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our life-changing tips. Today, we're diving into some super exciting mixture hacks for a healthy life. Trust me, you're going to love these. So, let's get right into it. Alright, let's talk smoothies. We all know they're a fantastic way to pack in tons of nutrients, but sometimes we get stuck in a rut, right? The same old ingredients, the same old taste. Well, get ready to break free from that smoothie monotony. Today I'm sharing a game-changing mix that will transform your smoothie game forever. We're talking about the power trio chia seeds, spinach, and avocado. Now before you make a face at the spinach, trust me on this one. The avocado brings this incredible creaminess, like a milkshake, while the spinach sneaks in a healthy dose of vitamins and antioxidants. You won't even taste it, I promise. And the chia seeds? Oh, they're little nutritional powerhouses. They're packed with fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. And they also add a fun texture to your smoothie. It's like a little party in your mouth. So how do you incorporate this magic trio? It's super simple. Just add a tablespoon of chia seeds, a handful of spinach, and half an avocado to your usual smoothie mix. You can use your favorite fruits, yogurt, or milk, whatever your heart desires. The chia seeds will thicken up your smoothie, so you might need to add a little extra liquid depending on your preference. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even experiment with different types of greens, like kale or romaine lettuce. This smoothie mix is not only delicious and nutritious, but also incredibly versatile. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or even as a post-workout snack. It's a great way to fuel your body with the good stuff and stay energized throughout the day. And the best part? It takes just a few minutes to whip up. So ditch those sugary store-bought drinks and treat yourself to a healthy homemade smoothie that will make you feel amazing from the inside out. Let's be honest, salads can sometimes feel like a chore. You know, the same old lettuce, tomato, and cucumber routine. But guess what? Salads can be exciting, flavorful, and totally satisfying. Today, we're ditching the boring salad blues and diving into a world of superfood goodness with a salad mix that will blow your taste buds away. Get ready for a flavor explosion with kale, quinoa, beets, and pumpkin seeds. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Kale? Beets? That doesn't sound very appetizing, but trust me, the combination of these ingredients creates a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave you craving more. Kale, our leafy green superstar, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It adds a satisfying crunch to the salad and pairs beautifully with the earthy sweetness of roasted beets. Speaking of beets, don't be intimidated by their vibrant color. Roasting them brings out their natural sweetness and creates a tender melt-in-your-mouth texture. Plus, they're loaded with fiber and essential nutrients. And let's not forget about quinoa, the ancient grain that's become a modern-day staple. It's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a fantastic addition to any salad. To top it all off, we're adding some crunch and healthy fats with pumpkin seeds. They're a great source of zinc, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids. But what about the dressing, you ask? We're keeping it light and flavorful with a simple yet delicious combination of Greek yogurt, lemon juice, and olive oil. The Greek yogurt adds a creamy tanginess, while the lemon juice provides a refreshing zest. And of course, olive oil adds a dose of healthy fats. This salad is not only incredibly nutritious, but also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it as a light lunch, a satisfying dinner, or even as a side dish. Get creative with your toppings. Add some grilled chicken or fish for extra protein, or sprinkle on some dried cranberries or crumbled feta cheese for an extra burst of flavor. Let's be real, we all need a little energy boost now and then, especially when we're on the go. But those store-bought energy bars, they can be loaded with sugar, preservatives, and artificial ingredients that leave us feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Well, guess what? You can ditch the processed snacks and fuel your body with wholesome homemade energy bars that are not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. And the best part? They're surprisingly easy to make. We're talking about a simple yet powerful blend of dates, almonds, peanut butter, and coconut flakes. That's it. No fancy equipment, no complicated instructions, just pure natural goodness. Dates, our star ingredient, are nature's candy. They're naturally sweet and chewy, providing a burst of energy and essential nutrients like fiber, potassium, and magnesium. Almonds bring their own set of superpowers to the table. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. Plus, their crunchy texture adds a satisfying bite to the bars. And let's not forget about peanut butter. It's a classic for a reason. Peanut butter is a great source of protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and it adds a creamy, irresistible flavor to the bars. To top it all off, we're adding some coconut flakes for a touch of sweetness and a hint of tropical flavor. Coconut flakes are a good source of healthy fats, fiber, and manganese. Making these energy bars is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Simply combine all the ingredients in a food processor and blend until a sticky dough forms. Then, press the dough into a lined baking pan and chill in the refrigerator for a few hours. Once the bars are firm, cut them into squares or bars, and voila! You've got yourself a batch of healthy, homemade energy bars that are perfect for snacking on the go. These energy bars are not only delicious and convenient, but also incredibly versatile. You can customize them to your liking by adding different nuts, seeds, or dried fruits. Try adding some chopped walnuts, sunflower seeds, or dried cranberries for an extra boost of flavor and nutrition. We all know that staying hydrated is crucial for our overall health and well-being. But sometimes, plain water can feel a little, well, plain. That's where water infusions come in. They're a fantastic way to add flavor, excitement, and a boost of nutrients to your daily hydration routine. And the best part, they're incredibly easy to make. We're talking about a simple yet refreshing blend of cucumber, mint, and lemon. A trio that not only tastes amazing, but also offers a plethora of health benefits. Cucumber, our cool and refreshing friend, is known for its hydrating properties. It's packed with electrolytes, which help replenish the body's fluids, making it a perfect addition to your water, especially after a workout or on a hot day. Mint, with its invigorating aroma and taste, does more than just freshen your breath. It's known to aid digestion, soothe an upset stomach, and even relieve headaches. Plus, it adds a burst of flavor that will make you want to sip on your water all day long. And of course, no water infusion is complete without a touch of lemon. Lemons are a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from the body. They're also a great source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and protects against cell damage. To create your own refreshing water infusion, simply wash and slice a cucumber, a lemon, and a handful of mint leaves. Add them to a pitcher of water and let it infuse in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight. The longer it infuses, the more flavorful your water will be. And the best part? You can get creative with your water infusions. Experiment with different fruits, herbs, and spices to find your perfect blend. Try adding some strawberries and basil for a sweet and tangy twist, or ginger and turmeric for an anti-inflammatory boost. Let's talk about two incredible spices that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine for their powerful healing properties: turmeric and ginger. These golden wonders not only add a burst of flavor to our dishes, but also offer a wide range of health benefits. Turmeric, with its vibrant yellow hue, is a potent anti-inflammatory agent thanks to its active compound, curcumin. It's been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can help alleviate symptoms of arthritis, joint pain, and even digestive issues. Ginger, on the other hand, is known for its soothing properties. It's been used for centuries to relieve nausea, aid digestion, and reduce muscle soreness. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory, making it a great ally in fighting inflammation alongside turmeric. Now, how can you incorporate these powerful spices into your daily routine? One delicious and comforting way is by adding them to your warm milk. Whether you prefer cow's milk, almond milk, or soy milk, a warm cup of golden milk with turmeric and ginger is a soothing and nourishing treat. Simply warm up your milk of choice in a saucepan over medium heat. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, a pinch of black pepper to enhance turmeric's absorption, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Whisk everything together until well combined and simmer for a few minutes to let the flavors meld. You can also add turmeric and ginger to your smoothies for a flavor and health boost. Their earthy and slightly spicy notes pair well with fruits like bananas, mangoes, and pineapples. Simply add a teaspoon of each spice to your smoothie blender along with your favorite fruits and liquids. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even try adding turmeric and ginger to your savory dishes. They add a warm and earthy depth of flavor to soups, stews, and curries. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these as exciting as I did. Remember, small changes in your daily routine can lead to big results. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy living tips. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that button and join the family for more awesome tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.